Hi friends, welcome to another session on Duplicate Kuznir. तुमका सगळ्यांक काल सांगतान एक खुशाल कांयचो दीस आवडेतां. सगळ्यांक तुमकां नवे वर्साची उनवणीत पोरवी अ व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी न्यू इयर. इंग्लिशान एक म्हणणी आसा, बिहायंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल मॅन देर इज अ वुमन. Telling him, I don't know how to cook, you do it now. How else can I describe my entry into the kitchen, falling from the frying pan straight into the fire? Jokes aside, I am loving this. And घर में पति पत्नी के बीच इस तरह का माहौल हो तो कितना अच्छा लगता है ना? Today's chef is none other than, you guessed it right, my one and only wife, Lalita Fernandez. She really gives me a good bath. I mean, she prepares the Goan bath cake unbelievably well. She learned and mastered this recipe from her mother. No festive occasion begins without the cutting and soft, moist bite into the cake. For those who are not familiar with it, bath cake is a traditional cake from Goa. It is made with fine semolina, soji, coconut, and sometimes flavored with aromatic spices. I like this texture of these cakes. It is not overly soft and smooth, but more of a rustic. So let's learn and duplicate.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरो दीस दिवं. गोंयची बात केक करूंक आमकां ह्यो सगळ्यो वस्तू जाय आसतल्यो. पाव किलो कोकोनट नाल्ल, पाव किलो रवो, पाव किलो साकर, powdered sugar, then baking powder, vanilla essence, मुठभर हा मैदो बरो स्लायसो पाव येवंक, 125 grams बटर, 3 तांतयां आनी अर्दे कप मलाई आणि 3 इलायची.
So this is, friends, the main ingredients for preparing the Goan bath cake. It's very important to understand the quantity. So this is how much you said? 250 grams. 250 grams of coconut which has been grated. This is soji, rava, semolina.
Yes.
How much? 125, 250?
250 grams.
250 grams of semolina. This is desiccated sugar. Powdered sugar. So this is for how much?
250 grams.
This is also 250. So 250, 250, 250.
120.
Okay, just the butter is 125. You got 3 eggs, a little bit of maida. And dahi. What is this?
Milk cream.
Acha, cream
malai.
of the milk. Malai. Why this is put?
It is to give richness to the cake.
Okay, richness to the fits. And 3 ilaichiya. Okay, so what is the next step?
Next step is to grind the coconut. Just 2 swirls of the mixer.
Okay, we need to grind the coconut to make it finer. So let's do it. Just has to be made a little bit of finer. Chod barik korpachi goros na. As you can see, मातशें बारीक करूंक जाय. चड ग्राइंड करपाची गरज ना. उदक कांय घालपाची गरज ना. The next step is to nicely roast the rava. रवाक मातसो गरम करूंक जाय. मातसो शिजोवंक जाय. बरो वास येवंक जाय. ताणें गमता की रवा जाला म्हणून मातसो रोस्ट करचो पडटलो तेका. No need of putting anything, oil. You need to have a nice good pan where you can roast. It should not get stuck at the bottom. बरो 8 ते 10 मिनिट्स जाले आता आणि मातसो वास येवंक लागलो. कुरकुरीत टेस्ट करून पळोवंक जाय. कुरकुरीत आसूंक जाय. Care should be taken that it is not burned at the bottom. That's all. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes of stirring this. The raw smell needs to go. That's all. That we need to ensure. So this is done now. So just put off the flame and allow this to cool. All ingredients, once it goes for baking, has to be on the room temperature. At room temperature, and that is very important. So एका बंद करून मातसो थंड जावंक दवरूंक जाय. Put the ingredients in a separate bowl. Don't put keep it in that same pan because the pan is hot and it might just get burned. So just keep it this way. Okay.
The next step is to cream the butter and the powdered sugar. So we put it in the mixing bowl.
Powdered sugar घातला आणि वो बटर आज मिक्स करचें पडटलें बरें करून. बरे भाशेन मिक्स करूंक जाय. 8 को काडूंक जाय. पळय तो 8 को. Try to make the number 8. That way it seems the ingredients get mixed up very nicely. बरे भाशेन तेका मिक्स करचें पडटलें sugar and the butter. It should become nice and creamy. So this is now nicely done. Mix the coconut in that batter because that also will have to get mixed up. आता नाल घातला आणि तेकाय बरो भाशेन बटर आणि शुगराचे बरोबर मिक्स करूंक जाय. That's the next step. Next step is to whip the eggs. 3 तांतयां आसली पळय तेका whip करचें पडटलें and then we need to put that ingredients and mix them along with this. The egg should be beaten nice and fluffy. पण मातसो फोम कहो येयल. आतां फोम उतून मिक्स करूंक जाय. फकत फोम मिक्स करूंक जाय आनी पोतून व्हीप करून पोतून फोम येतलो. फोमूच घालतो जावंक जाय आनी that needs to be then blended nicely. फोम येयला पळय तो पोतून घातलो आणि the remaining goes once again for whipping. So we have the coconut, we have the egg, and we have the semolina rava. All three needs to be blended. रवा घालूंक ना अजून बटर हा. बटर घातला, शुगर घातला आणि एग्स. त्याच्या मागीर निमाणे रवा घालूंक जाय. We'll have to put the semolina later on. Once this gets blended nicely, we will have to then mix the semolina. आठ को काढूंक जाय. You got to make the number 8. That's the trick to mixing it well. आता ये बरे भाशेन मिक्स जाला. This is time आमी रवा घालतले मिक्स करूंक. nicely done, we need to add these two ingredients, मूठभर मैदा आणि whipped cream, malai. Now I'm putting the malai. Flora machine mix करून जाय. Mix it well. मूठभर मैदो आता हांव घालतलो. तीन इलायच्यो सोडला आणि
सोलून घातल्या.
होय ताका बरो वास येतकूच
वयर फुगतात, फुलतात त्यो.
बरो धोय जातलो. So whiteness will come, and that's the time you know that it is really done. And those elaichi then
Give a good fragrance.
will go for mixing with the other ingredients. Oh, baro white zata, nice fragrance is coming. This will add fragrance to the cake. Taka bore kutung jai. Powder it. Baro wasilo, wow. Mix it with this, and for the last time mix it all the ingredients again. Once this is done, we need to keep it for a minimum 6 to 8 hours, but if you keep it overnight, it will give you the best results.
We put a silver foil on it and cover it and keep it.
एक सिल्वर फॉइल आणि ताका कवर करून 6 to 8 वरां दवरूंक जाय. But if you keep it overnight, the results will be good. Friends, the batter was kept overnight this way so that all the ingredients could nicely soak. The next step is now once again to mix it well. Now we will add vanilla essence.
Vanilla essence.
1 teaspoon. And baking powder. Sprinkle it and mix it well. While we are doing this, preheat the oven till it is warm. It will take 15 minutes because this then will go into the baking tray and into the oven to get baked. Nicely mix it. Bore bhashin nimani pout. Bore bhashin teka mix korun jai. This is done now. The next step is to pour this mixture into this tray. You got to butter it nicely and put a little bit of maida right down over there so that it does not stick. The cake comes out very smoothly. बरे होय तो हे एक पेपर बटर पेपर घेऊन त्याका इल्लो बटर घालून मैदा घालूंक जाय हाला so that it does not stick. So there goes the mixture. This is good enough to make one bath cake. There it all goes in. Wow, wasn't she wonderful? She does a very neat job. All you got to do at the end is just tip the baking tray that way so that there are no air bubbles. Everything settles down, and then it goes straight into the microwave preheated oven. So there it goes, right at a temperature of 150 to 180 degrees for half an hour to 45 minutes to bake. So it's half an hour since it's baking, and this is how you just put a knife and poke at it and see whether it is getting done. Is it done?
Yes, 2 minutes.
Another 2 minutes more. Wow, it's getting nicely done, right? Look at the final product. The aroma fills my kitchen with a freshly baked bath cake. She's got a perfect 10. My wife believes that cake is for life and not just for birthdays and special occasions. So let's go ahead and plate it. This is how it's got to be done. Just turn it upside down. There it goes, beautifully. There it goes, right side top. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's just got L for Lalita. Her inscriptions on the cake as well. Wow, that's wonderful. Friends, cooking is the greatest gift you can give the one you love. And guys, happiness is surprising your wife by giving her a bath cake like this one. Wow, let me just have a bite into this beautiful cake. Looks delicious. Well done. Wow, look at this. Come on, give me a bite. Wow. Lovely. Beautiful.
Hope this session was informative and to your liking. Go ahead, duplicate and bake someone happy today.
Yep, bake someone happy today. Friends, till we meet again. Goodbye. Stay safe, stay strong, and God bless you. Thank you so much.